The year is 2052 and Earth's resources are critically low. Humanity starts to move out. We're on our mission to Mars. Alpha Colony is the first Martian base where saving energy is critical. Commander Kira runs Alpha Colony, overseeing the first human settlers with the aid of this help bot. As more select people join the colony, they need to learn the latest technology to optimize the limited resources available here on Mars. Well, okay, this hasn't actually happened yet. Alpha Colony is just a fun e-learning scenario designed by us at Phantom Factory for our new and innovative online training courses. The Mars setting allows for engaging storylines and motivating gamification, because studies show these techniques make learning easier. Our training courses are custom designed to consolidate important learning points from a skills matrix through interactive exercises and assessments. As you advance through the training, we will donate trees to fight global climate change right here on Earth. So if you learn with Phantom Factory, perhaps we won't need to go to Mars after all.